I don't know why she couldn't take the Oklahoma ID to SOS and get a Michigan ID. So she should be able to do that.
It could be, that could be why it's compliant, because it's just an ID maybe and not a driver's license. That could be why compliance once, because it's an ID maybe and not a driver's license. Maybe.
Yeah, but they can't. No, I hear you, but I don't think they can require a driver's license as opposed to an ID. If they do, then they come in here and tell me that, and I don't think I want to do that.
Right.
Yeah.
Happens, and certainly you can contact the landlord to see if they will work something out with you. But as it sits right now here today, I don't have anything.
Oh, Your Honor, as I say, this is going to undermine completely my recovery and my ability to pay anything anywhere. So,
Ma'am, I get it, and I don't necessarily like it, but I've got to follow the law. I have to be fair to both sides. What you're proposing is not fair to the landlord.
how is there a way that I can make it fair to the landlord, more fair? Because as soon as I get money, I will contribute it. I will be paying it on this debt. The debt arose not because I was avoiding my obligation, but because
Ma'am, I understand how this happened. You've explained it to me twice now. I get it. But I also understand, and if there was a reasonable time period upon which you were going to be able to take care of that back balance and kind of, this court would not have a problem trying to work with you, much to the chagrin maybe of the landlord, to try to get you caught up. I don't see a methodology by which this can be even caught up. The numbers don't work. Plain and simple. Motion to stay the writ is denied. Writ will issue upon its signing.
oh my God.
Thank you. And court calls the case of Town Center Place versus Viola Hines. Go ahead, Counsel.
All right, Jack Steiner out order for the plaintiff.
Name?
Viola Hines.
All right. And this is a termination. What's the basis for the termination?
Unauthorized occupant here.
And my daughter-in-law.
Your what?
My daughter-in-law.
Still there?
Yes. I sent for her birth certificate, her social security card. She has her ID and she has her benefit letter from Social Security that has her birthday and stuff on it.
So you're seeking to add her to the lease?
Yes.
Is that what you're? Is that a possibility, Counsel, or what?
It would have happened prior to coming in.
Prior to what?
Again.
So what's that mean?
Well, she's apparently been living there since October.
She's been in and out.
2025. And so I believe because she's been in and out, they gave her an application, and then there's just been some stalling on the application. So by the time that we gave them the lease violation notice, a significant amount of time has lapsed for getting the paperwork together.
No, we turned the application in. And then I told Renee. Yeah.
Still waiting on the birth certificate, social security card, the
And she came from Oklahoma. I went and got her.
I'm sorry?
I went and got her from Oklahoma. She was homeless down there. So she's been helping us. And I asked for
the application been right. Oh, I'm sorry, but the application's been turned in. So if some miracle were to occur that all of the paperwork were here right now You're telling me you're not going to process the application?
Well, the application isn't complete without the paperwork, so it hasn't technically been.
You really want to get into technicalities with me? I don't know that.
But I do want to be specific in saying that it's not turned in until all of the paperwork is turned in, because you can't process it without the
I get that.
certificate, especially because it's HUD paperwork. And I'm not trying to but it is HUD stuff, so it's not like I'm.
When
So I'm not trying to.
no, I hear you, but Ms. Hines, when are you going to have when is that stuff going to be?
I can go to Social Security, me and her, and get proof of birth identity from them till the birth certificate comes.
What exactly, hold on a second. What exactly do you to complete the application?
We need. Might have to confirm my loans.
Oh, you're fine. Trying to kill me, man. What?
Michigan ID,
Need a Michigan ID?
Social Security card, a benefit letter, and she has to be in good standing
Good standing.
with the community.
Okay. So does she have to have a Michigan driver's license?
To be
My nephew didn't.
a Michigan ID.
They accepted him with his Oklahoma ID when I put him on my lease.
Sir, is there Michigan ID?
Pardon?
Michigan ID.
We get it.
I don't understand why, because this is all about identity. It's not going to be about. Okay. I understand that in some ways you're the messenger.
Maybe we can submit the Oklahoma ID and see what happens,
But she doesn't have an Oklahoma ID.
Yes, she does.
She does.
Uh-huh.
Has an Oklahoma ID. Oh, but is that that's not a driver's license, it's just an
ID.
Just an ID?
Yes.
So I thought, wow, thanks. I
bring you water.
I know, I was parched. I was just gonna dry up here. You didn't seem to care.
You're so good.
Oh no, don't pay me. No, I do appreciate it, man. I do.
The muscle, I'm pretty nice.
I don't know why she couldn't take the Oklahoma ID to SOS and get a Michigan ID. So she should be able to do that.
That could be why it's compliant, because it's just an ID maybe and not a.
Pardon?
That could be why compliance once, because it's an ID maybe and not a driver's license. Maybe.
Yeah, but they can't. No, I hear you, but I don't think they can require a driver's license as opposed to an ID. If they do, then they can come in here and tell me that, and I don't think I want to do that.
Right.
Yeah.
So there's the ID, and then there's a Social Security card. I didn't think anybody really had. But
Yeah.
she can go to the Social Security Administration and get
Yes.
that.
And Monday.
Okay. And then you said a benefit letter.
We have that already.
You have the benefit letter already?
Yes.
So 2 out of the 3 of these things, theoretically, you have.
Yes.
Have you given that to them? Yeah.
So,
Why, Ms. Hines?
well, because it's best I not talk to her right now. She's been harassing me.
Who?
Manager.
Okay.
So
All right.
therefore, I'm not,
Okay.
I will take it in there. I'll have Stacy take it. And her ID.
Do you have it with you now?
No, I didn't bring it. I cut the bus. But I have it at home.
All
Her
right.
ID and her benefit letter. I had it in that brown folder when I was here on the 10th.
Gotcha. Okay. Okay. So here's what you got to do. I want a copy. I want you to go get a copy
Okay.
of all of those.
Mhm.
And I want a copy turned into the court.
Okay.
Okay. And then you take those other copies, those other things down to the management office, give them there. You don't have to talk to anybody.
All right.
Give them to them. And that'd be 2 out of the 3.
Okay.
And then you need a Social Security card.
Yes. They'll give me the,
Okay. So you would have to go to the Social Security Administration.
yes.
And I don't even know how they do the cards. Like if you go down there and you got an ID, will they?
You fill out the application and they'll give you proof of the,
Hey,
they'll give you proof.
I got this
number and stuff.
They're just sending it through the post office. God
Right.
knows, I'll set this for Christmas.
It takes about 2 weeks. I just had babies, so it takes about 2 weeks.
Oh yeah, for a new person. Yeah.
Right.
I think they already started though at the hospital, don't they? But anyway, we'll get into all that. Okay. So if it's going to take 2 weeks to do that, so the termination, is the rent being paid or are you accepting the rent or what's the deal?
No, wasn't accepting it. Till I got all that did.
Pardon?
Not accepting it until I got all that done.
I know. And it's because it's termination.
Uh-huh.
How much, do we know how much is owing?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's 1,500.
About 1,500? Okay. Ms. Hines, do you have the 1,500?
I will have it on the 30th.
Okay. Very good.
So we need to escrow if your honor wishes.
Yeah, okay. So here's what I want you to do. I want you to get immediately to the Social Security office.
Okay.
What you have to do, all right,
Mhm.
to get that Social Security card headed on its way.
Okay.
All right. If you do that next week, and if counsel's right and it takes about 2 weeks,
Mhm.
let's hope, okay, it'll get there. The other documents, the other 2 things that you have, you need to get down to the office. I want a copy of those to the
Okay.
court. You're to deposit with the court $1,500. How much is your monthly rent?
280.
$280. So I want $1,500 and then $280 by the 1st.
Okay.
Okay. Then you bring that to the court.
All right.
That's everything. Okay.
And it'd be cash.
Yes, it has
Okay.
cash. So ultimately, you're going to put 1,780 into, and I'm just taking her number for the time being in any respect, and then
About right.
you do all of that. I will adjourn this then to May 8th.
Okay.
That's going to give council, I'm sure, will be right 2 weeks for their Social Security card, but you got to get down there right away.
Yes.
So have those other forms, and then
Is that a Friday? Aaron?
the 8th is a Friday. Okay. 1.
Okay.
All right. At 1 p.m.
All right.
Okay.
Thank you.
Science. Have a good weekend. What's up with the Kansas?
I was disappointed in them.
I never liked them.
Well, I don't
Why
like.
did you wear that in front of me?
I'm sorry.
No, it's okay. I'm in a bad mood now. I'm
I
gonna
like it, but I don't like.
now. Everybody's gonna have a bad day now. Thank you, Council.
Go on. Yeah.
I will. Linden Park versus Haley Orberg.
Good afternoon, Your Honor. Norman Woody, nervously appearing on behalf of Linden Park.
Orberg or Garvin? We have them. Oh, wanna your name?
Take a change.
Oh, forget.
Destiny Garvin.
Okay, you can. That's okay. You don't have to put your hand up. All right. What is plaintiff's claim in this case?
If you recall, this is a case where we had two tenants, Haley Forberg and Mr. Garvin. You've excused Ms. Forberg from attending today when we were here last week. Mr. Garvin was going to get caught up. We haven't received a payment. The current balance is $950, $188.54 in court costs for a total of $1138.54. No money judgment was requested.
All right.
So I just in 6:45 2 days ago, or it was Wednesday, so a few days, yeah, 2 days ago. They haven't received it yet because I'm on a cash restriction or a cashier's check restriction. I can't do it online, so that's why they haven't gotten that yet. The 28th is when I'm going to get the rest. I expected to get a little bit of help from like anybody on my end on the outside. I couldn't find anybody. It's just true.
So by the 28th, you can have this balance cleared.
By the 20th.
Okay, so I can send that in. Here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to grant them a judgment for possession, finding no tribal issue after hearing for $1,138.54. You'd normally be granting a judgment. You'd have to pay that by the 27th. I'm going to extend the writ date to the 30th.
I appreciate it.
Okay. And then that way you get that paid and then you'll be all set.
Thank you. I appreciate it. Your Honor.
Fair enough? All right. Thank you.
Your Honor, do I need to submit that?
Yes, you
We'll
need
get
to
that.
submit a judgment.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you. Is that it for you?
It is. You know, Your Honor, one other thing on that case, though.
Yeah.
I'm a little uncomfortable entering a judgment on a default basis against Miss Garvin. I don't believe she resides there. It's a possession-only case, so I'm kind of inclined to put in the further orders of the case is dismissed without prejudice to her. If I have to process a writ, we've got the all other occupants language, but I'm not.
Got it. I see.
Garvin
Okay.
lives here. Garvin lives
Go
here. Froberg doesn't.
Yeah, I said
Broberg does.
backwards. I'm sorry.
Yeah. You had them flipped. I understood what you meant, but we'll do it that way.
I don't feel right about taking a default against someone who wasn't supposed to be here. So.
Got it. Understood. I'm going to do it after hearing though. Okay? Thank you. Yeah, we're all set.
Okay.
Okay. Return on Investments LLC versus Jesse McNaught.
Ready, Your Honor. Kevin Callahan for plaintiff. That's P78273.
Jesse McNaughton? No response. Would you like to take a default, raise your right hand to be sworn. Well, I have a consent judgment, but do you know why they're not here?
I don't, Your Honor. Mr. McNaughton and I have had a lot of conversations about this. He signed off on a consent for the full amount to be paid in 90 days, indicated to him that he still had to show up to court, and he's not here. So I can, if the court will enter the consent, I would really appreciate it. If not, I can do a default by the same terms. It's fine.
Yes, let's do a default by the same terms. Do you solemnly swear or affirm testimony you're about to give will be the truth, whole truth, nothing but the truth, so help you God? I
do.
Go ahead, sir.
Your Honor, this is a judgment after land contract forfeiture. Current installment payments that are past due is $8,393. That is through the month of April. $65 in court costs for a grand total redemptive amount of $8,458 to be paid within 90 days. That would be July 16th of 2026.
All right. Judgment to the plaintiff. That is by default. Along the terms as forth. Court will sign the judgment. I've struck the consent and placed it under default.
Thank you. So I don't need to take any more action, correct?
No, you're
Thank
good.
you, Your Honor.
All right, thank you. Peninsula Place Apartments versus Travis Jones.
Good afternoon, Your Honor. Rebecca Austin for plaintiff.
Travis Jones, not checked in. If you'd like to proceed, raise your right hand. Do you solemnly swear or affirm testimony you're about to give will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
I do, Your Honor.
Go ahead.
Your Honor, I'm requesting a possession-only default judgment, rents retained $2,641, court cost of $177.72, for a judgment of $2,818.72.
All right. Judgment to the plaintiff, that is by default for possession, redemption amount in the amount requested with the writ to issue in 10 days.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you. Peninsula Place versus Zaria Fisher.
Rebecca Austin for plaintiff, Your Honor. Miss Fisher was on the screen and she was on a telephone earlier. I don't know what happened to her.
Yeah, they said she just dropped a little bit ago, like
She did provide, there's that petition by she emailed this morning.
that she. I'm sorry. Oh. Counsel, did you receive, your client receive $1,000 from her today?
Not that I'm aware of, Your Honor. Holly is also here with us on Zoom. Holly, did we receive $1,000?
No, not that I'm aware of.
She sent in, so I guess at the last hearing, she said she was going to pay $1,000 by Monday, which would have been the 13th. It doesn't look like she did
Oh,
what
she's
she
back,
did.
Your Honor. I think this is her cell phone that just rejoined.
Got it. All right. Miss Fisher?
Yeah, he's me. I'm sorry. The quad drop.
I can't.
I'm sorry, can you hear me?
Yes, Miss Fisher?
Yes. The quad drop.
Okay. All right. Very good. You gave to the landlord or sent to the landlord $1,000?
I did.
When did you send that to them?
I gave that to them today.
Today? Okay.
Yes.
What, did you put it in the mail or something? What'd you do?
I walked it over to the office.
You did what?
I was waiting to, after I had to walk into the office, I was waiting to get paid. So I got paid and I gave it to them.
So you took it to the office?
I did.
Okay. All right, counsel, I had from the last hearing 250551. Is that right?
It's still correct, Your Honor. Holly, do we have that check?
There was a money order brought in. I'm sorry. It appears as though the wrong unit number was written down on it.
Got it.
The wrong.
Oh,
Okay.
and that's for 1,000, Holly?
Yes.
Okay, that's what the receipt here. So that would bring the claim amount down to about 150551,
Yes,
something like
Your Honor.
that.
Yes.
Okay. And Miss Fisher, when are you going to get that paid?
I can have it paid by next Friday, the full balance.
Okay. So what's the time?
12 minutes.
Can you get that paid before 12 noon?
Yes.
Okay. I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna adjourn it out to the 24th, 2026, 12 noon. Okay? You need to get that in there as early as you possibly can, because if you have everything paid, then they'll dismiss the case.
Okay, sounds good.
Okay, thank you. Thank you, Miss Fisher.
Thank you. Bye.
All right. Miss Freeman, next, is that it for you?
That's it for me, Your Honor. Have a great weekend.
Oh, yeah. Next time, like when I have a case like that one, you could have helped out, but you just gotta just let the judge hang out there like that. That's
Yeah,
fine.
sometimes it's better not to say anything, Your Honor.
All right.
I don't want to be on your
have a
YouTube
weekend.
video.
Holly, Take care.
Have a wonderful weekend.
All right.